I realized when I was in a private corporate law firm in Washington, D.C., that some of the people who were senior partners and hugely successful in the profession were not people that I admired or wanted to be like. And what I identified was the shortcomings of their career that were in part the way they had to be so successful in their career made them much less successful in other parts of their lives. First, it took too much time to be that successful a lawyer, but also there are qualities of empathy and kindness and a capacity to listen and a capacity to be respectful of other people's demands. Those people lacked a lot of those skills. Some of these skills have come to be called emotional intelligence.
Yes, yes.
And I believe that emotional intelligence is an extremely important quality for a lawyer. A lawyer who meets a new client, a potential client for the first time, has to be able to present herself or himself in a way that lets the client know that this is someone that the client can trust. Just saying, "Trust me," doesn't do the job. It's got to be somebody who, by his presence, shows the person he's speaking to that he really is accessible and available and is an effective listener. The skills at listening, which are so important for lawyers, are not normally cultivated in legal education. And what's true of lawyers is true of many professions. There are statistics that show how frequently doctors interrupt their patients when the patients are trying to describe what their conditions are. And that capacity to listen is something which is undervalued in many educational systems and in systems of professional training.
There's a lot being written these days about doctors not listening to their patients and therefore missing a great deal. Jerome Brutman's book is in part, major part, about that kind of a thing.
This excerpt is brought to you by the Massachusetts School of Law, the leader of reform in legal education and a leader in multimedia education for the public. To view the full interview and for a full listing of MSL's programs, log on to mslaw.edu.